Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use Klover's credit card payoff tool. So Klover's credit card payoff tool provides a simple and effective way to pay off your credit card debt. Now here's a step-by-step guide on how to have this done. So first you want to do is to log into your Klover account. Of course, you can log into your Klover account on the website, or you could also log in on the mobile app if you have it. Next, once you're logged in, you want to click on credit cards and then select payoff tool. Now you want to enter your credit card information, including of course the credit card balance and interest rate. Next, you want to view your payoff plan, and here you can track your progress. So you're gonna have that the payoff tool set up for you, and you can track your progress right here on Klover. Yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use Klover's credit card payoff tool. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that already. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.